Hey fellow Nevillers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah, otherwise known as Neville O'Clock, a complete Nevilleaholic. That's the way I like it. Today I thought I would do a different kind of video, one that will help you, my lovelies, out with your manifestations. Well, actually, with your life, really. I want to share some Bible quotes from Neville's works that have really helped me stay in the wish fulfilled or not get sucked into sometimes not quite so fabulous 3D. There's 2 or 3 of these that I can share with you right here. There's many more I've used to keep me in the state, keep me in the wish fulfilled, keep me in my happy place. Because when we start working on our self-concept, some things can come up that can knock us off our track. So the first one I want to share with you, my lovelies, is the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Want. I sat down one day and journaled on how this quote had helped me. Now, as we know, there is only God acting. Everybody out here in your 3D world is God acting. There's a God spark in every single one of us, and a Jesus Christ spark. Isn't that fabulous? Yes, I know it is. It makes me feel tremendously powerful. And also, we have to be wary of what we're doing because we are God acting. Now, back to the Bible quote, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. When we look back at our lives and what we've manifested, for me personally, I can see exactly the truth of that quote, that the Lord is my shepherd and that I shall not want. Every tricky situation that I have put myself in, I know we go through a phase of where we think it's him, her, them, they did it. Then we come to the realization that no, it's me. I did it to myself, believe it or not. This is where we work on our self-concept. Now, so the quote, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. When we look back at our lives, we can see about the situations we've put ourselves in or found ourselves in, and we've been totally okay, right? At the time, we might have thought, oh, what's going to happen to me? And then afterwards, a wonderful manifestation comes out into fruition, and we realize that the Lord is our shepherd. He has watched over us. He has got us out of tricky situations, and we shall not want. If there's something you need, has it not always turned up for you? I know it has for me. Sometimes we think, where is it? It's not here. And then it turns up. So that's really what this Bible quote is about, my lovelies. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Which to me, I perceive it that yes, my Father has always looked out for me. He always makes my path sure and safe and wonderful. And you shan't want, because he's going to give you what you need, or what he thinks you need, in his own divine timing. Now, my lovelies, if there's some more Bible quotes that you have used, please let me know down there in the comments, and we can go into those. I'll look at it, decipher it, and see exactly what Neville is telling us, or what the quote is trying to intimate to us via Neville's teachings. I'll share some more of these later in the week, but I just wanted to share this one today because it's a wonderful one. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Say that to yourself, my lovelies, in your inner conversations, and you will be on the road to magnificence. All right, my lovelies, thank you for your time and attention. Please give the video the thumbs up, hit the like button and subscribe, leave a comment, and I will leave you with this. A big fat kiss, because we're all about love up here. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.